And now that they speak, yeah, I already served to their parents. Their parents confessed to me they have their children and they're ready to compensate. They are going to square, they're going to divide the compensation, and they divided the compensation among themselves. Not each of them bringing the same amount what they are supposed to.
Can you give us the detail about the amount of money that was stolen?
Actually, they stole 2 iPhones. They stole an iPhone X yellow, and then HP laptop, the current laptop of iCloud that uses the iCloud. And then later on, that one was in the same. Then in March, they came and hit the door. We also had a door. They hit the door, yeah, with a stone. They removed Infinite not 7. That one was 600. Say 800 and not 16.
All this stealing was
Just not at once.
series.
In series. Yes. Yeah, not at once. Then later on again, after 3-4 days, when our chairman everyone was to be taken to Pakwach, I did not go. Actually, that very day I was so tired because I was doing some facilitation of the women in the community with some task center. I finished that. I was so exhausted. I came and sat. I'm talking on my phone, the iPhone 12. I sat like this, and sleep took me. And then I waking up. I found my phone was not there in my hand. That is it. And there I reported all this matter. Then they came, police came to see the scene. They took the pictures of the scene everywhere. And they said, no, this thing is frequenting you. Either someone is behind you or something. Why? And then it took me like May. When I went to the bank to pick money, I picked my money, 10 million, 50,000 is wrapped in a paper. I was preparing this house for my special house, where I packed my medicines, I packed everything there. So I did what? I came, this house where they are living is where I'd put my things there, even money was there. I put this money on that on the window, just there. And then what I did, I found myself asleep. I slept. I went out and inside I slept. I even forgot about the money. And in the bank I was signing several times. I think God was signaling me, and also Satan was also fighting me. Do it. Huh? Then I was trapped. I went to the bank late that time because I was also facilitating students for summer school at Gulu University, with the University of Groningen and one of the UNESCO under UNESCO under community. So I was facilitating the students, international students, with indigenous entrepreneurship. So we ended up there. I went to book a bus and picked that money to go and buy soap things. Then from there, I did not go because waking up in the morning, I found a stick of fresh cassava laid on the door. And these people, when they steal, they use herbs because you find some white piece.
But don't you think that all this stealing, somebody within your house is also among the people?
No, I didn't have people.
How do you expect them to know that you have money?
I moved with a border. I traveled with a border. And
So they
with a
must
border.
have.
They must have monitored me. I picked a border and moved with it home that very day. I did not move with
Can you identify the border?
I cannot. I cannot.
You've been picked with them from the stage, or
No, I've not been. I picked that day only.
But that border you picked from where did you pick that border from?
I even stopped around this because I
You just
moved
got a
down.
border on the way.
Yeah, on the way. When I was coming this side, around the marketplace, but down. Then I picked up border and came home.
Coming home.
Yeah. So that is what
I
happened.
understand among these guys, some of them are border.
Yeah. And this person also said when they are going to imitate, they are going to do, their actions will show what they have done. And they did. Playing cards, doing what?
When they were inside here.
Yes. They acted seriously.